How to troubleshoot error application blocked by Java security. This error usually comes when you launch the Java-based UI from Oracle eBusiness Suite. I'm going to first show you the error and then the solution to troubleshoot it. So let's go to the browser and first try to launch Oracle Applications Java-based UI to see this error. So first thing, I'm gonna log in with a demonstration user, operations, password welcome, hit the enter button, and then I will simply try to launch a form which is Java based. So let's say this one, and look, that's the error I was referring to, application blocked by Java security. For security, applications must now meet the requirement for high or very high security settings or be part of exception site list to be allowed to run. So basically, this is a showstopper for you to launch Oracle applications. So I'm going to click on OK, and here you can see this, and when you click on this, it's going to show you more error. So you can see details of the errors over here. So sometimes it's quite confusing and it's a tedious process to troubleshoot that, but I found an easier way, which is where I want to share it with you. So now let's go to the solution. So in order to solve this issue, what you have to do is first launch control panel, and then you go to programs, which is where you will find Java. So click on that one, and then go to security tab, and within that you will see a place called as a box, and right next to that box you've got a button, edit site list. So click on that button, and this is the place you have to give your URL for your application server. So I'm going to click add, and then I'm going to give my URL. So what's my URL? If I go back to my browser, that's my URL. Okay, take the whole URL along with the port address and then paste it over here, and then press tab. As soon as you press tab, you will get this sort of a dialog, and I'm gonna click continue, and then add one more URL which is without the port, just to be on safe side. Okay, so I will remove the port this time, and again press tab and accept the continue button, and then I'm going to click OK. And once you're done with that, you go to General tab, then go to Settings, and then go to Delete Files and delete all the cached files related to Java content. So hit the OK button, and again hit the OK button, and lastly once more OK. Okay, I'm going to come out of this. I'm going to log out and re-log in. So I'm going to log in with the same user once more, password welcome, hit the login button. I'm going to go back to the same form and hit the define, and this time hopefully I'm not going to get the error. This time I've got this dialog box, so accept this and hit the run button, and then hit run with the latest version. Again once more, and as you could see, this time the form got launched. So that's the way to troubleshoot the error that I have pointed out, the application blocked by Java security.